Voices of Change. A journey through the inspiring stories of resilience and transformation in Kenya, Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, Uganda, and Eritrea. Today, we explore how the Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa, Badea's support, has empowered individuals drawn from Allpi's member states to overcome challenges and build brighter futures.
When I was introduced by my employer, that is the Kenya Development Council, they introduced us to this project because they had that time to expose us into the trainings of this project so that you can be able to understand it well and also be able to give this knowledge to some other people who are unable to reach it. There are so many benefits that we have received from this project, especially when it comes to this level of training. I've acquired so much skills from them. Due to those trainings, they have given us more skills, especially in pattern development. They have also tried to impart knowledge in us that we can be able to use the resources that we have around to ensure that the training that we give to other SMEs or to other students is a training that is worthy. Immediately we were done from the trainings that this project has brought unto us, we have received so many SMEs who need this kind of training again from us. So we have tried as much as we can to give them this training.
Rwanda's journey of reconciliation and growth is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. These stories show how Badea's support has been able to positively transform lives and communities within a short time.
Murakoze, nitwa Uwamahoro Diane, nkaba nungirije umuyobozi mukuru w'iki kigo. Iki kigo cyitwa Clinique Internationale Orthopedique. Tukaba dukora ibijyanye n'insimburangingo n'inyunganirangingo n'ibindi byose bifasha abantu bafite ubumuga. Badea ni projet yadufashije mu bijyanye no kuduha ibikoresho. Ibyo bikoresho bikaba bidufasha mu kazi kacu ka buri munsi, nko ku bijyanye n'impu, nko kudoda impu, twifashisha izo mashini baduhaye. Naba nk'urugero wenda nk'aka gatebe n'ak'abana bafite ubumuga, urabona gakoze mu ruhu. Twifashishaga iyo mashini kugira ngo tubashe kudoda neza izi mpu zibashe kudufasha mu kazi kacu ka buri munsi.
In neighboring Burundi, the successes of the Badea project cannot be gainsaid. The determination exhibited by the trainees, most of whom are now leather products business owners, emphasize the popular saying, "Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach him how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime."
Hii metia hii nzuri sana kwa hatua tumefikia kwa kuunda kiatu. Kwa tunaomba Warundi wataweza kuja, tunajifunza hii metia, tunafunza wengine, afu sisi tunapanua Burundi yote na enea.
Badea has give us the help machines. Now we have the machines from Badea. If we see those machines there is writing that is the gift from Badea.
Between 2019 and 2023, Badea provided technical support in the form of machinery and capacity building training for 6 Allpi member states, namely Burundi, Eritrea, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, and Zambia.
Personally, I do leather works, and bags and leather accessories, all type of bags and leather accessories. So our brand is Okok Leather Collection, and we are from Nairobi, Kenya. That's where we work. I think through that idea we got from the training, we can be able to do some other things, like maybe how to source material, how to utilize material. So we get a lot of information from that project, and we have introduced them to this company. Specifically, as I said before, for example, making shoes. You know, we were specialized in making bags, but from that project, I can now make shoes personally. Yeah. I think in any business, we have got a lot of challenges, especially funds. You know, in this business, we have expensive, leather part is expensive. So if a Badea can come in, maybe if they can grant us a loan or give us access to funds, can be if we can organize ourselves in a group, so they give us a loan, or machine mechanization. In mechanization, we have got different machines require different work. So if they can give us those machines as a group, I think that can be better.
The Badea project's objective was to facilitate SMEs access to suitable machinery and upgrade their design, craftsmanship, and export readiness skills. In Kenya, Badea's technical support through Allpi was undertaken in collaboration with the Training and Production Center for Shoe Industry, TPCSI.
I'm very optimistic about it because I know they are people of goodwill and they mean well to us. So I see a brighter future. I see a future where our industry will have the right quality through their help to be able to competitively compete with others in the global market. Also, the overall result of this is, it means that we can improve our share in the global market as a country.
My name is Gilbert Safari. I'm the manager from Master Business Incubation Center, Africa Leather and Leather Products Institute. But they wish to install, to provide a grant which will contribute in supporting the startups interested in leathercraft. But their project has benefited more and more in informing that leather cluster, in training my staff and me too.
In total, 30 SMEs were supported in Rwanda alone. Altogether, 180 SMEs from the 6 select Allpi member states benefited from the support advanced through the Badea project.
About the support we get from Allpi. Allpi was give us the first support to select us, to work with him, to train us. I think if Allpi will get an opportunity to touch Badea, which Badea was a support us to give us the equipment as a machine, which that machine we used was help us to make a new design. Badea give us the support and the trainers in cutting, in stitching, in collect, trainers in design.
The Badea project has made an immense impact in the lives not only of the people of Burundi, but also those of citizens of Eritrea, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, and Zambia, countries in which the project was piloted.
Ibitekerezo natanga ku mushinga Badea, icyambere nuko ahantu ibikomoka ku impu zituruka ni kure. Icyambere nuko badushingira uruganda rutunganya impu mu Rwanda. Icya kabiri kugira ngo ibikorwa dukore nk'amamashini dukoresha ntabwo ukuntu nabikemuye narazindukaga niba isaha yo gutangira wari saa moya saa 12:50 nkaba nahageze.
Even with the project's successes, as highlighted in this captivating documentary, there's a need to come up with actionable solutions that will incorporate more member states to benefit from the project, while at the same time implementing measures meant to deal with the challenges as articulated by the present beneficiaries of the project.
I see myself as a trainer, footwear trainer for that matter, being more involved in their trainings. Yeah, in their trainings, especially on such a machine like CAD/CAM, which for design. Yeah.
Across Kenya, Rwanda, Burundi, Eritrea, Uganda, and Zambia, These stories are a reminder that with support and determination, economic challenges faced by individuals and SMEs in the leather industry drawn from Allpi member states can be overcome. Together, with the necessary support from partners, we can build a future filled with hope and opportunities.